Which platform is best when it comes to passive income through print on demand? I'll show the pros and cons to help you decide what's right for you. It's Redbubble versus Amazon. Accessibility. Anyone can create an account on Redbubble and start selling immediately. You can go from hearing about the website for the first time to signing up and uploading a design within 5 minutes. Merch by Amazon, on the other hand, has a strict interview process. Going through the application alone can take upwards of 20 minutes, and there's no guarantees you'll be accepted. It's not unheard of for people to be waiting months to hear back, only to get rejected. Winner, Redbubble. There's no denying that it's easier to get set up and start making money on Redbubble. Customer base. According to an investor presentation in 2019, Redbubble and their sister company 𝗘𝗙𝗦𝗥 served 5.4 million customers combined that year. That works out at about 450,000 customers per month. Wow. Amazon is a gigantic beast though, which according to many reports serves between 150 and 200 million customers per month. If these stats are correct, Amazon has almost 30 times the amount of customers in 1 month than Redbubble and 𝗘𝗙𝗦𝗥 have in a year. It's unrivaled by any other print-on-demand website out there at the moment. Winner, Amazon. More customers means more opportunities to make sales and more passive income. Product choice. Uploading one design to Redbubble results in the opportunity to publish it on over 70 different products. They've got t-shirts, hoodies and all the usual suspects you find on print-on-demand sites, as well as dresses, phone cases, pillows, prints, laptop covers, duvets, shower curtains, mugs, skirts, scarves, bags, books, clocks, bath mats, face masks, badges, aprons, jigsaws and more. Uploading one design means that your artwork can be put on all these products, which increases your likelihood of getting sales. You have access to all these products from day one. Amazon have only got 14 products to choose from in comparison. Shirts and hoodies, as well as pop sockets, phone cases, bags and pillows. Awkwardly, they don't have the option to resize your design on the site like Redbubble, so you need to save your artwork in different formats, and you're only allowed to upload 10 designs as a new seller until you've made 10 sales. This is seriously restrictive in comparison to Redbubble. Winner, Redbubble. It's much easier to get your designs on a wide range of products, and the more products you have for sale, the more likely you are to be making money. Colour choices. Redbubble allow 18 colour options which are all available by default on their standard print clothing, meaning customers can decide for themselves what they prefer. You're able to select a custom colour on all their other products and there are millions to choose from. This can result in some fantastic combinations that really attract buyers. Amazon have 21 colours to choose from once you've uploaded your work, but only allow you to pick 10 of them to be displayed to potential buyers. Winner, Redbubble again due to the sheer amount of choice available. Profits. Redbubble allows you to set your own product price, but so does Amazon. So whichever platform you sell on, you get to decide the profit margin, as long as customers are willing to pay, of course. Redbubble charge a base price of $16.87 for their standard t-shirts, and then you decide on your profit margin. If a customer pays $19.99, you'll get $3.12 profit. Amazon only charge $13.07 for their standard t-shirts, and then you add your profit margin on top, meaning if a customer pays $19.99, you'll get $5.23 profit. Winner, Amazon. You'll be more than $2 better off for every shirt you sell on Amazon when compared with Redbubble. This means you can keep your pricing competitive and still make more money per sale on Amazon. Copyright infringement. Redbubble have a lengthy policy against copyright infringement, but they seem to rely on people reporting copyrighted material in order to take it down. The punishment's variable and can be a slap on the wrist like having your work removed or getting your entire account suspended if you repeatedly break the rules. People report receiving several warnings before this happens. Amazon also have a lengthy policy against copyright infringement, and they're extremely strict too. They manually vet uploads for new sellers, which can result in waiting days to get your design published. Amazon check the design as well as all the keywords you've used to describe it for copyrighted material. It's easy to fall foul of their policy accidentally by using a sentence or a phrase you didn't realise was copyrighted, and you can even get punished retrospectively if someone registers a trademark after your design's been uploaded. The punishment for violating copyright is getting your work rejected or removed. Amazon will be quick to suspend you if you violate their rules too frequently. Winner, Redbubble. Definitely more forgiving of a beginner that might accidentally make mistakes. Redbubble and Amazon both have their pros and cons, so it depends what you're looking for in a print-on-demand site. Luckily, you don't have to choose just one. You can register on both for free and sell the same artwork on both platforms to expand your customer base and your passive income. For complete beginners, I'd recommend Redbubble first because of how accessible it is and how forgiving they are of mistakes. If you're interested in selling on Redbubble, I recommend watching How to Find What Sells on Redbubble next. If you're going for Amazon, I've got a similar video about how to find what sells, which I'll link in the description. But if you want to get accepted fast, I suggest watching my video about that next. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tips released every week. Thanks for watching.